Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to fix this error message if it is coming that if you write .NET and it on the terminal and it is showing you this error message that .NET is not recognized as an internal or external command. So this typically happens if you haven't added the path to your environment variable. So I'm assuming that you have installed .NET inside your system. .NET is nothing but the .NET. If you haven't installed it, then you should definitely go to the website and download .NET. But if it is installed, but if you can't access it in the terminal, then by default .NET is, if you open your C directory and just go to the folder program files, so the default location where .NET is stored is this folder. It has a folder called as .NET, and here all the executables are located. Simply copy this location, right click, copy, C program files .NET, and just now open your environment variable and just go to this environment variable and go to the system variable. Just go to the path here, edit, and just click the new and paste the path here, C program files .NET, and just click OK, and just restart the terminal and just type the same command .NET, and now you will see the .NET command will perfectly work. So this is a very simple solution to this problem, and you just need to add the path where the .NET is stored. By default it's stored in program files. Just add them into the environment variable and then 100% the problem will fix. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.